And in this particular one, our gentleman is going to provide sound effects for our guy. Whenever he calls on you, feel free to give us a sound effect. And this young lady will provide sound effects for our actress Karen up here as well. So you guys ready?
Ready.
All right.
It's a scene, maybe.
That would be helpful, wouldn't it? Where are our actors at?
Keeneland.
Keeneland, and what is their relationship?
Brother and sister.
Brother and sister?
Married.
Married brother and sister from Kentucky. Betting on horses in Kentucky. All right. And action.
I'm glad we come out here to see all these horses run, brother.
Me too. Let me get my wallet out. Let's see.
That's really lightweight.
Struggling with it. I should be making a lot of noise here.
It usually does. There's that wallet. Woo! Man.
Well, what horse you want to bet on, honey?
Oh.
I mean, sis.
Maybe we should.
I forgot we were in public.
Yeah. Well, I like to pick one with a name I like. So let me flip through this here program that has light pages made of onion skin. You don't even hear it.
Yeah, I just like.
There we go. All right, it's creating a breeze now. Oh, here we go. How about this horse right here? Three-legged Larry.
Oh, there, here he comes, and going by right now. Three-legged Larry. Oh, well.
I hear music.
Oh, I hear it too.
Where's it coming from? Oh, it's my cell phone.
Oh, yeah.
What do you want? I told you I was coming to watch them horses run today. No, I can't watch your kids. Find somebody else or just leave them in the trailer. Nobody's going to bother them in the middle of the day.
Oh, my God, did you hear that?
I gotta go.
Oh. Do not eat the burgoo at King. Man, I should have won mid-place and show for that one. Tell you what.
Woo! We might have to take some of your winnings and run by Rite Aid on the way home.
Oh, yeah. Sis / honey.
I love it when you call me that.
But if you wouldn't mind, I gotta go over here to this restroom real quick.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just walk right over here.
All right. You think with all the money they put in this place, they built thicker walls.
One, two, three.
All right. I hope you feel better.
Woo!
Boy, I tell you what, I could use a candy bar, and I am not paying these prices, but I happen to bring some in my purse here. It's kind of heavy.
Boy, that's the. You'd think it'd have made a bigger thud than that.
I know. Finally, I got in there. Let me dig around in here.
Wait a minute. What's this thing in here that vibrating?
That's my toothbrush. You put it back. Put my toothbrush back. I gotta brush my 2 teeth with it. You want a Kit Kat?
Sure.
All right, I'll open it for you. Okay. You want? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. How many you want?
4.
Okay. All right, here you go. Well, that doesn't leave me with much. Is that good? Sounds like it. Oh, here comes some more of them horses. They're getting ready.
Oh.
And that guy with that bugle thing. I love that sound.
think that one fell down.
Oh, no. Let's go over and see if we can help.
I think maybe we might ought to go get help over here.
Oh, okay. All right. Come on.